Look at this beautiful hairline. Absolutely amazing, and you know it came from Rpgshow. Today I'll be doing a start to finish install courtesy of none other than Rpgshow. They sent over this beautiful wig here, and it came with like this short cut, but like a nice little layer. It had these nice little feather type bangs going on, and of course I'm here for it. The icing on the cake is the beautiful hairline, which is so effortless. Here in LA it's been super hot and a whole lot going on. Hot and rainy and all that at the same time. So this is the perfect wig because it's also my daughter's like birthday weekend. Not like, but it is her birthday weekend. So I want something that's fun and cute and flirty, but I don't want to have to mess with like long hair, long curls. This gives effortless vibes. If it gets a little messed up, if it blows in the wind and all that, you're good. But it also gives like mom sexy vibes. So I'm definitely here for it. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this look and how I got the vibe, keep on watching.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed.
Okay, ladies, this is what the wig looks like on. She's busting. I love her so much. Look at the movement, the body. It just has so much texture. You already know this is going to be a good one. Also get a load of how beautiful the hairline is, and I'll even show you what she looks like from the back. I believe this one is the Wiz by Cherise 031. The texture is silky. I opted for a cap B construction, which is a lace front cap, and it is 200% density. Again, this is what it looks like from the back. You don't have to do anything but cut the lace off on this one. She does fit glueless. I am going to add a little bit of a bond to it just because I wore this one during my daughter's festivities, and I just wanted to make sure everything was down and nobody was pulling my wig off. And when I say nobody, I mean my kids. Look at how beautiful this one is. Absolutely a must-have. Let's go ahead and bond her down, and then we're going to play with the curls. I'm going to do some flat iron curls just to bring out and emphasize the body it already comes with. And you'll see all the details, and then I'll come back and give you a little bit more tea in just a moment.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve you. Begging on my knees just to show.
A todos los palomos dicen que tienen millo, pero no tienen nada. Tengo Gucci, Prada, Balenciaga, todo lo que tú quieras ver. Palomo, alerta.
Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, tengo los millones, tengo los millones, tengo los millones. Porque tengo los millones, tengo los millones, tengo los millones, tengo los millones. Porque tengo los millones, porque tengo los millones. Nada no me hace feliz, pero a ti falta. Yo juego con mil amos y 100.000 en tu la banca. Egocéntrico como el pana arca. Estoy pegado porque la meta está muy alta. Vamos a volar, a volar, a volar. Vamos a volar, a volar. Vamos a volar, a volar, a volar. Donde estoy pegado, donde tú nunca estarás. Vamos a volar, que no somos de la tierra. Llegó la alienígena para darle todo guerra. El que está pegado siempre es el que más brilla. Si no lo ha luchado, aquí mismo te entierra. Como un chiflado que lo manda para lavado. Como hora día para brillar en todos lados. Que no soy un millo y eso no come putado. Soy un millo chico. Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones.
Don't slip on the drill. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the drill. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blow it up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots. I got the cheat code. That's why I never.
Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my same little nigga from the get-go. Bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though. Please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though. You gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly. Do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimpin' penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the minute hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up, a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter. You are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming. I'm moving now. Fuck what you do.
Okay, love bugs, look at the final result. We are definitely done. Now the hair came already styled, so I did not have to do anything, but you guys know me, I just added a little a little zhuzh of my own. You guys already know this one came from Rpgshow. So the wig was in a box, and this was the dust bag that was on top of the box. So it came like this, and this dust bag is a beautiful, you guys see the texture is nice and soft, and it's just like luxury. And of course you can keep that forever. This is the box that the wig came in as well, nice and sturdy. They also have their own like tissue paper, and like it has their logo embossed on it. I love a good, you know, luxury and attention to detail. All that makes a huge difference. You guys know Rpgshow has their own magazine, so they did include a copy in my package. Also, these are the goodies that were inside. You have your edge tamer, which is basically like a wax stick, or not edge tamer, flyaway tamer, I'm sorry. And it's basically a wax stick to, you know, how I just did my hair, like the parting in the hairline, and like make it look snatched. These are some brown wig caps. Why am I holding the box like that? Those are some brown wig caps. You have your info card here, which has all, oops, I am tripping, all of the information on it. Oh, this is really pretty. This is a like a headband, but it has a bow. It's a nice thick quality. So a lot of times I give that stuff away, but I really like that one. And I don't have a black one. A black one is very important. This here at the bottom is a sleeve or a dust bag, basically a storage bag for your wig, and of course it is reusable, so of course don't forget to hold on to that. Even if you have no space in your house, especially if you live in California where we don't have storage and closet space and all that, be sure to keep this to like keep your wig inside when you're not wearing it, and then you keep the dust bag also to keep your wig in as well. Very, 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 very good quality. I have not eaten all day today, so forgive me if I'm a little jittery. It's starting to kick in. Look how beautiful that is, and it's the perfect length with that feather. So beautiful. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Very much an adult, grown, and sexy look and vibe. And I'm happy because you guys know whenever I do my wigs naturally, this is the style and look I typically tend to go for. I am going to add a little bit of hairspray just so that, you know, it's raining here in LA. It's like hot and it's raining, so I don't want it to drop or frizz when I walk out the house later. So I am gonna, like I said, add a little bit of hairspray, but I'm gonna take some pictures before I do this. Let me know what you guys think. Would you rock this wig? Would you want it shorter? Would you want it longer? Would you want to bring the curl in more? What's your vibe? Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.